Hello guys! There we have a Samsung washing machine WW80T504DAEA, and today I will show you how you can manage alarm function with this device. So in this washing machine you can turn on or off the melody of cycle completion, however the other sounds stay active. To manage the function, hold the function button for 3 seconds, turn to position to the right side, and there you have an alarm. If you want to switch it off, click on the off button. Of course, if you want to turn it on, you can do it in the same way. Now it's activated, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.